Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming versions, knowing which Gemini build and Nano Banana firmware you have avoids conflicts. Plug Nano Banana into power and the host via USB-C, then open a terminal so you can see device output. Install drivers and tools now, a DB, fast boot, and the vendor SDK or node. JS18+, because once done you'll flash or pair without interrupting later steps. Make sure permissions are set so your user can access USB devices. This prevents permission errors during flashing. You enable developer mode on Gemini and allow USB debugging or the pairing prompt. This opens a secure channel. Next, use a DB or the vendor pairing tool to list connected devices and authenticate the Nano Banana. Watch for a 6-digit code or confirmation prompt. Once authenticated, deploy the companion agent or firmware to Nano Banana. Verify via logs and status commands because this confirms communication. If services fail, restart the agent and recheck permissions. This often clears transient issues and restores. You finish by running a demo task to confirm Gemini controls Nano Banana as expected. Check latency and sensor outputs so you know performance is acceptable. Then persist settings. Save configuration files, enable auto start for the agent, and backup firmware images to avoid rework. If something goes wrong, follow one key troubleshooting tip. Reset the USB connection, reapply or update drivers, and re-authenticate the pairing. This sequence resolves most connectivity and permission problems quickly, while preserving your config.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.